look at anger management there. Level me. Big man thing. But come on like Bumblebee, don't it?
Love it, we love it.
I sing me, I go sing them now. Boop, 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 boop. Say sting them. Me come fi murder every girl we go on. Lie them a bad girl. The angel you fi know say tonight at your funeral. I'm a diamond, coulda hold until our back bend. Me a kill everything, suspense, not beg, no pray.
Girl, sorry me that rush going. Get up rush going. Oh, I feel it down that lower there. Pretty, my darling. I'm so proud of you. I'm proud of you, see?
Thank you.
I'm proud of you. You see when management have cost you, you see say it was for the best?
True, woman.
You see say it was for the best? You saw a girl mash up Sting? You saw a girl dominate Sting? I love it. I'm proud of you, Pretty.
Thank
Me
you.
look a princess. But when you did plan to tell me, say you call up people name for Sting.
If me did tell you, I know you would have said no. And that's the element of surprise, and that is just Sting. Somebody have to do what me have to do.
Pretty, listen to me. You have to go decide what type of artist you really want to be. You see? Because first you want to be raunchy artist. Now you want to clash artist. Then next minute you want to be R&B artist. Next thing you soon start tell me say you're a soca artist. I need me for the your son. You understand? We need to be on the same level. You need to make me know. Because doing the clash and calling the name, I understand. So you know you want to look at exposure and thing, but you have to realize that a lot come behind it. Because me they are foreign now and my phone I ring off. People gone in the studio gonna answer you. And them something me I tell you about. You see, as your manager you have to make me on the same page.
And that was the aim. They go call about my name or something. That could build up everybody's momentum. And I mean, there's no way on earth me I go box up myself. Me I go make everybody get curious and ready to say what should I come with next. You know, want it up. And if it down, it down. But right now it's up, so I gotta do what I need to do. Calling them name wasn't nothing to say. I know nothing personal. Just a lyrical battle. I'm gonna do what I'm supposed to do. And without that, of course, we got texting in but it complete the one package. You get me?
Yes, Brinny. Me get all of that. You understand? Remember the road where you walk now, I was once there. So me understand everything where you talk say. You understand? Me know say you want kind of expand your versatility. But at the end of the day, we have to find a lane to put you in. You get what me I say? We can't just have you all over the place and do this and do that. You can't freestyle and not make me know. You understand as me say, we have to see eye to eye, we have to be on the same page. I'm not trying to keep you boxed in, Prinny. You understand? Because I understand you want to explore, but at the end of the day, as me said, there's a business part to it where me have to be responsible for, and I have to put you in the correct lane and make you know say you're on the right path. You can't just have all over the place of Prinny.
I hear you, and you are right, so right. But it's when we find the lane, we have to stay in it. But until then, please allow me to explore my creativity. Please, that's all I ask.
Okay, understandable, Prinny. I can't even fight you upon that, because I did unroll in the sector like this. So I understand, you want to branch out, you want to do your own thing and find your own. You know your own space, fine. That's cool with me. But, to the next matter now. So when you did plan to make me know, say I received death threats, foreign me there on my phone and ring off and I saw me know, you know, call me and make me know about stuff like that. So come on, Prinny. What that way I do? What that is?
Tasha, you never want bother with all of that. You never there, I'm going to say overprotective. So you never want to put that on your head. So because Sheldon, I make sure that deal with it for me.
Jesus Christ, Sheldon. Sheldon. So, Sheldon are your security? No, man. You call Sheldon. Sheldon signed contract with the police force. Hold on, so when you call Sheldon for really come do now? Get couple them look at what this Butterfoot Fred them fi come do. Fire them one pop. Wait. Sheldon.
No. You get a professional security company and they accompanied me to Sting for your information. No ghetto butter is nothing.
So you know this for a fact? Did you check it out?
Yes, I did.
Okay.
Tash, when you understand, say Sheldon, I'm a man. And just like you, all I want is the best for me. That's all.
Which best for you? Sheldon don't want no best for you. Sheldon a wait for you to make it big, so him can reach after you. Or somebody might look for carry him for come up. You come talk about Sheldon. All Sheldon want from you right now is sex. Sex. You know, say me have a feeling say him a influence if you sing all of them songs that we are sing about.
No.
Them songs they about who good and who nice and who check off me baby and I love you. Other boy there, you know. Other boy there.